Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you listen to music with one earphone? And you can put your earbud to the charging case or remove only one from the case and then close the case. Now you can use the second one. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and not this one. And as you can see, we still have connection with these earbuds, but we use only one. So my short answer is yes, you can. But you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. Only both of your earbuds with one device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!